Everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to the Nifty Expiry. Shivangi ma'am is here with us. Ma'am, I've sent you a request to join the stage. Please accept that. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. I hope you can hear me and see me.
Good afternoon. Yes, I can hear you, see you.
Great, ma'am. Welcome to the Nifty Expiry. I guess everyone is and अभी हमारे सिर्फ दो ही expiry हैं, Sensex and Nifty. So everyone is eagerly waiting for some profitable trades. You can share your screen. Meanwhile, I'll just do the introductions and then we are good to go. So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Nifty Expiry. I'm Anuj Sharma, the community manager, and today we have Miss Shivangi Shraddha, the Nifty Queen, the Nifty expert, who will be taking you through the expiry. We'll start with the Nifty outlook, strikes on radar, and if we see an opportunity, so we'll give you a trade as soon as possible, or else, dhire dhire throughout the session, we'll keep.
I think Anuj got dropped off. I'll just check.
Hi Shivangi, maybe Anuj is facing
Yeah,
some technical issue.
I
So
am
yes,
Anuj.
we are good
Yeah.
to go. Then over to you. You can start the session.
Uh, okay. All right. Very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Thursday, which is dedicated to Nifty expiry. So we've seen that bears have been in complete control. पूरे dominance रहा है bears का market में और swings बहुत रहे हैं. काफी लोगों को complain भी यही रहेगी कि काफी volatile हो रखा है market और ऐसे में option trade करना भी काफी मुश्किल हो गया, especially after the lot size changes. The volumes and the kind of jumps which are happening in options are huge. So I think let's begin with the outlook और फिर हम trade setup भी देखेंगे. Meanwhile, I'm also tracking the respective puts for Nifty. But trade setup की अगर हम बात करें यहाँ पे तो there is some sort of support at 23,500. कल के सेशन में भी 23,500 काफी अच्छी तरह से रिस्पेक्ट हुआ था. uh, and today also it's not been broken, so 23,500 will be an important make or break zone here. हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट बेस्ड बाइंग है बट फॉलो अप हायर जोन्स पे मिसिंग है, इस कारण से अपसाइड जो है वो कैप्ड है. Now, we have seen that 23,750 के ऊपर होल्ड करने में मुश्किल हो रही है, या आप कह सकते हो 23,800 के ऊपर होल्ड करने में मुश्किल हो रही है. पिछले 3 दिन से 23,800 नहीं क्रॉस कर रहा है index. So 23,800 is where a lot of resistance is also seen and call writers are also making their positions. Although call writing का concentration जो है वो 24,000 के juncture में ज्यादा देखने को मिल रहा है. तो there will be some sort of capped upside resistances रहेंगे यहाँ पे. तो इसको of course हमें ध्यान रखते हुए ही ट्रेड करना है. But let's talk about intra hour, यानी कि next 1 घंटे के ट्रेड के लिए अगर हम बात करें तो 23,500 will be the support. We're not expecting 23,500 easily today. बट जिस तरह से मार्केट्स पूरे बेरिश जोन में जा रहा है तो ये अगर टूट जाता है तो हमें एक और ग्रेव डाउनसाइड देखने को मिलेगा. एंड रेजिस्टेंस विल बी इमीडिएट बेसिस बात करो, सो रेजिस्टेंस विल बी 23,550. तो ये है द लेवल्स फॉर निफ्टी. आई टोल्ड यू द पोजिशनल लेवल्स यानी कि जो वीक में काम आएगा, एज वेल एज द इंट्रा डे लेवल्स जो कि आज के एक्सपायरी के लिए काम आएगा. Let's shift focus to Bank Nifty, जहाँ पे ज्यादा underperformance देखने को मिल रहा है because of the reason that from the last 5 sessions the index has been consistently falling, and we've seen that sell off है. Both the private and the PSU banking names are not showing any signs of strength here. कुछ हम देख रहे हैं कि एक फेड का भी जो कमेंट्री था वो भी एक काफी इफेक्ट किया है बैंक निफ्टी को एंड ओवरऑल दिस इंडेक्स हैज बीन नॉट परफॉर्मिंग फ्रॉम द लास्ट वन सीरीज so if we talk about the levels today we've seen that it's broken 49,800 as well so 49,300 सॉरी 49,300 भी टूट चुका है जो कि कल के सेशन में नहीं टूटा था so somewhere this level will be important but positionally अगर हम support की बात करें तो 49,000 is the support and for a upside move towards 50,250 but upside remains cap pressure जरूर बना रहेगा and थोड़ा और pain point देखने को मिल सकता है बैंक निफ्टी में. Now, of course, we've seen that Sensex expiry has shifted from Friday to Thursday to Tuesday. I beg your pardon. From Friday to Tuesday, तो सारे जो action है Sensex में भी that will be seen on a Tuesday. Of course, there are actions every day and strategy based आपको ट्रेड्स लेने चाहिए इंडेक्स में. नाउ जनवरी हैज बीन लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. हम देखते हैं कि बजट के पहले भी मार्केट थोड़ा बहुत नर्वस हो जाता है. इंडिया विक्स बहुत ज्यादा स्पाइक कर देता है एंड बजट के पहले मार्केट्स डू बिकम अ लिटिल यू नो जो ट्रेंड है वो नहीं फॉलो कर रहा होता है and once the budget is over only then market will kind of find some stability. So overall, this pressure is to continue over here, right? Okay. So I am looking at, I'll tell you the strike 23,600 put, but at the same time 23,550 put को भी मैं track कर रही हूँ, but focus will be on 23,600 put. तो यहाँ पे ये फिलहाल 80 to 85 के रेंज में चल रहा है अभी and we are expecting some cool off till 70. तो 70 तक अगर ये आता है तो एक comfortable buy होगा हमारे लिए and for the next targets towards 80-85 levels. So right now there is some sort of movement in the put but पिछले लगभग अगर आप ये 15 मिनट्स का चार्ट देखो पिछले 15 मिनट में एक अच्छी खासी एक्शन आ चुकी है देखने को मिल चुकी है. एक हाई टॉप हाई बॉटम का नेगेशन भी हुआ था 15 मिनट्स के चार्ट फ्रेम में. So somewhere some sort of put movement has already come in. So we'll wait and watch and we'll track 23,600 put.
Shivangi ma'am, it will be great if you could please repeat again the support and resistance of Nifty.
Yes, surely. So Nifty अगर हम इंट्रा आवर मतलब यानी कि नेक्स्ट 1 घंटे के बेसिस पे अगर हम बात करें तो 23,500 will be a make or break zone here. As soon as it breaks 23,500 फिर हम 23,450 तक के लेवल्स देख लेंगे. This is I'm talking about the next 1 hour with a resistance of 23,650 levels. Now if we talk about positionally then 23,300 is what we're looking at as a support and 24,800 24,000 as a resistance. तो positionally ये levels बन रहे हैं but जो next 1 घंटे में आपको play out करना है वो भी immediate levels मैंने आपको बता दिया. So trade accordingly. Markets are going to be volatile. तो ये volatility को आपको साथ में लेके ही चलना है और be very selective with your trades. Be stock specific rather than index specific right now for the month of January. और of course अगर आपको काफी लग रहा है कि safe play out करना है, so you can also go for hedge strategies in the options. Now I'm looking at spread also for that matter right now, but risk reward 1:1 है, इसलिए बिल्कुल भी favorable नहीं है. I wouldn't recommend entering into this at all. So 23,600 is right now trading at 80 to 81 range and we are kind of witnessing swings over there too. तो कुछ एक cool off होने का settle होने का wait करते हैं हम. Then we'll be able to tell you
So, Shivangi ma'am, meanwhile, we keep our eye on the strike that we are focusing on 23 uh,
600 put.
600 put. So, do we have any delivery ideas or BTST ideas so we can share the same with our clients, right? Before we move ahead with the stock queries.
Yes, I believe ऐसे मार्केट में हमें वैसे ही स्टॉक्स के साथ रहना है जो काफी एक स्ट्रेंथ दिखा रहे हैं. There are some stocks on my radar which is looking quite positive. So I'll just quickly name a few. One includes, let me just check the chart structure. Yeah, so insurance-based stocks are now witnessing some sort of comeback move. And for that reason, SBI Life is in my focus. But then, ध्यान रखें कि swings रहेंगे और volatility रहेगी. If you want that volatility के साथ नहीं trade करना है, तो आप, you can come after 1 month. You can just completely shut your option trading for a month और फिर आप वो कर सकते हो. But that is not how smart traders do. We'll have to obviously learn to embrace the volatility and work with it. So do not shut yourself completely from the market, but keep tracking. What you can do is you can stay light on your positions. तो इस तरह से आप इसको play out कर सकते हो. Now let's talk about some stocks, I believe. Okay, I think I missed the targets and stop loss for SBI. So SBI, we're looking for a target of around about 1520 levels. So 1520 levels के लिए SBI पूरी तैयारी कर रहा है. And 1450 will be an important support जो कि एक stop loss की तरह काम करेगा. So this one to be kept on radar, right? Okay. So I'm still seeing the 23,600 put. It's near 83 right now. So, I don't think coming from any other part of the city to Mumbai just to meet me will be, lucrative. Okay, let's look at some stocks ideas, I think.
Okay. So Shivangi, do we, should we take the stock queries?
Yes, I think 23,600 put is right now trading in between 80 to 85. तो यहाँ पे हम कुछ ज्यादा कुछ मूवमेंट एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट निफ्टी is trading in a very consolidative band 15 minutes से. एक अच्छी सेल ऑफ आ चुकी है in the first hour of the day only. और उसके बाद हमने देखा है कि there has been very minor swings. कुछ ऐसा खास देखने को मिल नहीं रहा है, like one directional move. So I think we can wait and watch. Right now it's 85. I think if it cools down to 70 to 75 range, तभी ये favorable है. वरना I think you should wait and watch right now. 80 to 85 के range में अभी चल रहा है ये put. So I think we can take up the stock queries. Market is under pressure, but option trade करना काफी हम जो भी ऑप्शन ट्रेड कर रहे हैं उसको स्टॉप लॉसेस के साथ ही ट्रेड करना है. काफी की हो गया है because of the swings that are there. So I think let's just wait and watch and see where the market is going. Meanwhile, I think we can take a few stock queries.
Sure, Shivangi. What is your view on Kalyan Jewellers?
Okay, so all these gold related jewelry stocks, चाहे वो टाइटन हो चाहे वो कल्याण ज्वेलर्स हो, काफी इसमें हमने देखा है कि प्रेशर बना हुआ है. And even though there is some sort of buying in Titan, but Kalyan Jewellers has witnessed a lot of selling pressure. and we can see some more pain point till 640 levels. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा और pain हमें देखने को मिलेगा for again reversal. So meanwhile, I think Nifty has sharply fell, and the options have also spiked, but काफी एक हमने देखा है कि in the last 1 minute or so, Nifty has fell by 10-12 points. Option premium has jumped. So there is some sort of unusual move also over here that we're seeing कि spot इतना नहीं गिर रहा है जितना option put के option का premium जो है वो jump किया है. So some sort of volatile cues are there, and we need to tackle it properly. Right now the put is near 90 to 93 levels. Okay, all right. We'll meanwhile track this put. अगर required है तो हम 23,550 के put में भी जा सकते हैं. If the index breaks 23,500 levels. So yeah, I think we should wait. And of course, one more important thing is आज market hours के बाद TCS का result है, and IT giants have a lot of impact on the market, and so TCS का result भी काफी एक important रहेगा to watch out for how the market opens tomorrow. So stay light and of course stay hedged in such a kind of a market scenario. But yes, Nifty hasn't broken 23,500 levels. So 23,500 के levels को Nifty ने नहीं तोड़ा है. But अगर ये टूटता है तो यहाँ पे हम और weakness देखेंगे.
So, rightly said Shivangi ma'am, and considering the factor कि थोड़ा सा निफ्टी ने एक डाउनसाइड मोमेंटम दिखाया है, ऑप्शंस के प्रीमियम में भी थोड़ा सा jump आया, right? So considering the factor, can we focus on any of the specific stocks for a position, or for buy today or sell tomorrow, until unless we get any opportunity in this trade?
So for BTST, I believe there's one stock on my radar, which is MGL. MGL is witnessing a good amount of buying interest over here, and एक बहुत ही लंबे कंसोलिडेटिव फेज के बाद अब यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम्स ऐड हो रहे हैं, ओपन इंटरेस्ट ऐड हो रहे हैं. तो MGL is one stock which can be kept on radar for the next move towards 1350 levels. तो 1350 के लिए आप MGL को रखो radar पे. 1260 का एक सपोर्ट है. So MGL will be a buy here. बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से यहाँ पे कंसोलिडेट किया है, होल्ड किया है इन लेवल्स पे इस स्टॉक ने. हालांकि हमने पहले काफी इसमें शॉर्ट्स देखे थे, ऐड हुए थे, बट राइट नाउ पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड सीइंग दिस स्टॉक शो स्ट्रेंथ एट द लोअर लेवल्स. तो कहीं ना कहीं सपोर्ट पे बाइंग है इस स्टॉक में. सो to trade this stock.
And what would be the target for the upside in this stock for the Mahanagar?
1350 is what we're looking at for the targets, and 1260 के एक stop loss के साथ.
Great. So guys, we have initiated a BTST trade on Mahanagar Gas Limited, that is MGL. Currently trading near, I guess, 1287 or 1288 levels, right? So you have to buy 1287 levels with a stop loss of 1260. 1260 का stop loss लगाना है, and the target for the upside will be 1350, right, Shivangi ma'am?
Yes, 1350 is what we're looking at.
Great. So guys, we have paid it as well. So we will also, Shivangi, take few stock queries until unless we don't find the right entry in the Nifty option trade that we were tracking, right?
Right now also we are seeing that the option premiums are there only, but the index has not broken 23,500 levels. So I believe this kind of market scenario is tricky, where one is confirming the trade and one is kind of not confirming it. But पिछले 10 साल से ऐसे ही हुआ है इंडेक्स में in the month of January. It's always been very volatile and it's always been this kind of wild swings that we could see in the dresses. So overall, index is quite volatile. तो यहाँ पे ट्रेड करना थोड़ा केयरफुली करना होगा. So index has not broken 23,500, but there is no decay in the put premiums at all. Expiry ke chalte hue bhi. So this is something which is put is holding. So bears are completely holding the market, and the put is not getting decayed. कोई भी decline नहीं आ रहा है इसमें. So this is the kind of scenario right now in the market.
Okay. So guys, we are still waiting and tracking the Nifty 23,600 put, considering the factor कि थोड़ा सा fall है. Shivangam, let's move and take few stock queries, right? So what is your view on Olectra Green Tech?
Okay, so it's a fairly new stock. Okay, Olectra Green Tech has been making lower top, lower bottom on the weekly basis. Also, it's trading in a downward sloping channel. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा और पेन पॉइंट देखने को मिलेगा. हालांकि 1400 के आसपास ये थोड़ा कंसोलिडेट करना चाहिए और 1350 1380 एक सपोर्ट यहाँ पे कामकाज करेगा. बट ओवरऑल अपसाइड आल्सो रिमेन्स कैप्ड ओवर हियर.
Great. NTPC green, I guess it's all queries around the green stocks, energy stocks only.
Okay. Meanwhile, I'll just quickly give an update on Nifty. Nifty is 23,520 के पास आ गया है, and the option that we were tracking has significantly jumped from 95 to 80 levels. तो आप सोच सकते हो कि 75 के lot size के साथ अगर इतनी fast quick movements आ रही है, तो we can imagine the kind of swings it will have. Now let's talk about NTPC Green Energy. तो इसमें new stock again. पिछले लगातार 5 महीनों से lower tops, lower bottom बने हैं. Of course, the nature of the stock is such that the stock is in the downtrend right now. Follow up नहीं है यहाँ पे. और overall sector में भी कुछ ऐसा खास हम नहीं देख रहे हैं. So as to gain strength right now. So I think better to not enter at these levels.
Okay. What is the view on Hudco and what can be its next strong support?
Okay. Talking about Hudco, this stock has consolidating from the last 3 weeks, but there has been a good support of 224. So 224 will be important to के levels पे ये वापस एक रुकना चाहिए and then again for a good upside move.
So after a very long time, the query around the rail sectors, your view on RVL and Railtel.
So of course, before the budget, there is a lot of buzz and excitement in the PSE sector stocks. Railway ho jaye, chahe defense ho jaye, all these stocks gain a lot of attention and attraction. But sadly, there has been no momentum at all in the railway stocks this time, and कोई भी यहाँ पे follow up नहीं देखने को मिल रहा है. In fact, month on month basis में पिछले 5 महीनों से the stock has given negative return. So RVNL or for that matter, the other stocks in this sector also going to witness some pressure.
Okay. PEL,
BEL again.
the defense. Yeah. Bharat Electronics.
Okay, so BEL have we seen that support is intact, of course, and on the daily basis there is a uh, there's a reverse cup and handle pattern which we'll have to check with confirmation. But overall, yeah, मुझे लगता है. But there will be some pressure here. We are expecting 270 levels.
Okay. So, शिवांगी, हम जैसे कि आपने अभी कुछ मिनटों पहले बताया कि just like PSE stocks and defense stocks can definitely the retail customers or clients will keep their eye on after the budget, right? तो इसके अलावा कोई और स्टॉक ऐसा दिख सकता है वो we can keep our eye on, right?
So I believe there is some sort of recovery in the auto names. So some of the auto space stocks can be kept on radar. मारुति है जो कि एक बहुत ही अच्छी शॉर्ट कवरिंग मूव देखा है. हायर जोन्स पे जितने भी शॉर्ट्स यहाँ पे बन रहे थे वो अब बिल्कुल कवर होते हुए दिखे हैं. So Maruti is one stock which we can hold on. In fact, if you talk about a 2025 stock year, which you want as a gift, will be, I think, Maruti.
Okay. Any pharma stocks?
So see, pharma stocks have a tendency to move with the kind of volatility and the kind of news-based trigger or the different disclosures that the company has to have in terms of getting a license and everything. So काफी चीजें pharma external चीजों से काफी affect हो जाती है. Overall, right now in this kind of a market, everybody is seeking help in defensives, and pharma is one such stock where they can go into. So some stocks like Dr. Lal Path Lab are looking positive, but not maybe the heavyweights right now.
Okay. Ma'am, could you please let us know the trade that we were tracking and any update on it?
So right now, 23,600 put that we were tracking is near 83. तो वही 80 to 85 के रेंज में है. एक स्पाइक जरूर देखने को मिला था, but that spike was very swift and we couldn't be able to capture it. तो अभी फिलहाल 82 चल रहा है, and there has been no such kind of losses or swings that you have had to bear.
Okay. So guys, like since we are near end of the session and we have not initiated any trade considering the factor कि थोड़ा अच्छा खासा हमें एक निफ्टी में फॉल दिखा था and हमें the opportunity that we were waiting to enter the trade right वो हमें मिल नहीं पाया. So we have also initiated a BTST trade on MGL, right? जो हमने already pin कर दिया. Please make sure you put a strict stop loss of 1260, right? अगर यहाँ से अगर आपको कोई भी तेजी मिलती है from the buying range, please take your stop loss so that from there you will not make any losses. So yes, I guess that's it, guys, from our end. For those who have हमने जिनका queries ले नहीं पाए, please make sure you post on Stockholm, and we will be more than happy to answer your queries. So yes, Shivangi ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Thank you guys for joining.
Thank you.